Zombie
It
apocalypse.
started with a rock monster, which is this thing. That nice thingy.
Now he's all serious like it's a school report.
Come on.
And then, it killed, the only survivors left are me, William, Maggie, Sarah, and Mommy, and Patrick. And then, William and Sarah died because they were like pinning. Because they were painting. Because they were goofing out too much and they died because of this thing.
I thought you said Mom survived.
They died because they were
No,
goofing
Sarah
off.
and William died. And then
Sorry.
it was me, Patrick.
They died from goofing off?
Yes! They were too caught up in video games, they died. They were like...
Goofing off as a surprise.
And then the zombies came to our house. Then we had guns.
Clorox guns, yeah.
Clorox guns. Guns.
And then like the Clorox turned into lead, which came into a bullet.
Yes, apparently Clorox can turn into lead.
It's a gun! I know everything.
Okay, oh, you know everything. Okay,
I know
continue with the story.
Okay.
So we bleached the zombies.
And then, okay. Then Patrick died. That guy was there.
Show him.
That guy right there.
This guy right
Oh, that guy was there.
He ran out of Clorox.
here. He
It's not my
ran.
fault.
He ran out of Clorox.
And then he had to stand right
And
here.
he
He
stood right there.
He stood right there. And then like a
Right
giant
there.
hand pulled him in out of the window.
The window.
And then me, Maggie, and Mommy went to my mom's bedroom. And then this giant rock monster, the thing that started the whole thing,
Okay, apparently it started the whole thing.
came through the window, like, I'm gonna eat you. And then we only had 2 bottles of Clorox left. We thought it was the end.
Okay, he's killing zombies with Clorox,
Wait,
you guys.
then-
Okay.
We had to shoot the monster, like, pow, 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 pow.
And Clorox goes pow.
And then the monster was like, and then it killed one of us. It killed my mom's bed.
That's
One of us. The bed.
It killed my mom's
when did the bed become one of us?
good when I said so.
When did the bed become one of
I
us?
don't know.
It tore through the pillows and stuff, and then we shot its butt crack.
Bird has a butt crack? I didn't know.
Yes, it does.
Apparently the bird has a butt crack. Okay.
And then it blew up. And
The bird blew up.
then I lost my legs.
And you lost your... How did you lose your legs?
Cause the explosion was so awesome.
Why did they explode?
Because I shot in the butt crack.
So when you shot the bird in the butt crack, which
It
I
exploded.
did not know birds had butt crack.
Yeah, exploded.
Your leg exploded after
You
that.
shot Clorox?
Yo, it was like this. The monster was right here. The monster was right here, and the bed was right here. The dead bed was right here, and then we shot in the butt crack. And then it blew up. And then my legs blew up for no reason.
Just because there was a big explosion right there, it blew up for no reason.
Then Maggie lost her arm.
Wait, what?
You lost her arm. You were like, you're like,
She was making noise like that?
no, you're like this. Yeah. And you're like this.
Well, then I still have what's
so
my
weird.
hand attached to?
You still have fingers but no arm.
And then
What's my hand attached to? Wait a minute.
Attached to your
Mommy
bird.
didn't explode. Mommy didn't get harmed because she was like, don't hurt me.
Oh, okay.
And the explosion didn't hurt her.
She's the queen of Clorox.
Exactly, because she's the queen of Clorox.
And then there's a. Okay, what? Okay.
Mommy survived. Well, we got our body parts taken
Cut
off.
And then we died. Mommy was the last survivor.
So we died because my
Of
arm.
blood loss. That's the only logical thing there. Blood loss.
What?
That's cool.
We lost the blood loss.
We lost the blood loss.
Lost the blood
We
loss.
died of blood loss. Okay.
We died of blood loss.
We went to the Charger blood bank and donated
We went to the Charger blood bank.
what we had left.
And then Mommy's the only survivor in the world. And then we died. No, then
In the world. She's the only survivor in the world.
Cause the rock monster.
Because the
Right here.
rock monster.
Right here. He's
Okay.
picking up elephants.
Oh, okay, here. You should give advice to people who have dreams like this.
Wake up. Gosh. It's crazy. Guess enough. We're
Now
done.
you should dance.
Can you really record that long?
Dance.
Huh?
Yep, okay. Say bye.
Bye.
How long can you record for?
Say bye.
Goodbye.